Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop i6 student discount. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how the store owner can provide additional discount to the i6 card holders on purchase at his store. First, let me give a brief introduction of i6. i6 basically stands for International Student Identity Card. It is an internationally accepted student identity card which verifies students and provides them access to more than 1,50,000 discounts across 125 plus countries. Now let's see how this particular extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. This is the admin's back office, and now let's start with the module configuration. The module configuration is basically divided into four parts: API configuration, general settings, content settings, and discount settings. So let's start with API configuration first. Under API configuration, admin has to specify the username and password for verifying the i6 card holders. Admin can contact the i6 card provider to get these credentials. So after entering these credentials, click here to save. After API configuration, admin needs to configure the general settings. First of all, admin has to set the global discount which will be applicable on all the product in case no i6 discount has been applied. Suppose admin has set 5% in this field. From here, admin can set the number of orders on which i6 card holders can avail the i6 discount. Suppose admin has set 10 in this field. In this field, admin can enable or disable the application of i6 discount on the discounted products. In this field, admin can set the i6 discount priority. If a customer falls into multiple discount categories, then he will get the i6 discount as per priority set by the admin here. Now after configuring the general settings, click here to save. Now let's have a look at the content settings. In these two fields, admin can set the customized i6 discount messages to be displayed on the product and cart or checkout page. The variable total underscore discount will be replaced by i6 discount value at the front end. Now click here to save the content settings. After setting the ISIC discount messages, admin can configure the discount settings. Under discount settings, admin can set category wise discount, product wise discount, and group wise discount. So let's start with category wise discount first. Now admin can add the categories and configure the ISIC discount that will be applicable on the products of these categories. Select the categories from here. Suppose admin has selected the women category. After selecting the category, configure the ISIC discount that will be applicable on the purchase of products from the selected category. Suppose admin has set 10% discount, ISIC discount on the women's category. Admin can choose to set the ISIC discount in terms of fixed amount or percentage. Now after setting the ISIC discount, click here to add this category. After setting the ISIC discount, admin can change the category, discount type, and ISIC discount value by clicking on the edit button. So when admin clicks on the edit button, a pop-up appears on the screen from where he can change the category, discount type, and the ISIC discount value. Admin can also choose to delete this category by clicking here. Now similarly, admin can add the products and set the ISIC discount that will be applicable on the purchase of the selected product. Admin can select the product from here, set the ISIC discount value, and add this product. And under group wise discount, admin can select the group whose customers can avail the ISIC discount on the purchase. Suppose admin has select a particular group and set the ISIC discount value from here and add it. After configuring the module settings, let's have a look at the front-end workflow of this module. Now, when a customer visits the product page, there he can view the ISIC student discount offer available on the product as configured by admin from the backend. As we can see that this product belongs to the women's category, but from the back office, admin has applied 15% discount, ISIC discount on this product and 10% ISIC discount on the women's category. So according to the priority defined by the admin under general settings, product ISIC discount will be applied. When a customer adds the product to the cart, there he can view a block asking for the ISIC card details. ISIC card holders can enter their ISIC card details for the verification and avail the ISIC student discount. Once the ISIC card details get validated, the ISIC student discount will get automatically applied to the cart. Now, after placing the order, a customer can view the discount he has received using the ISIC card on the order details page. This is the order details tab, and from here he can view the total discount he has received using the ISIC card. When a customer uses the ISIC card to avail the discount on the order, then a record for that order gets created under ISIC Discounted Orders tab. Under ISIC Discounted Orders, admin can view a list of all the orders on which customers have availed the ISIC student discount. Admin can view order details, customer details, and ISIC discount received on the particular order by clicking on the View button. Admin can view the total discount received on this order by ISIC card here.